What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Abby if you're new. Today I'm going to be showing you how I achieve these really cute spring twists. So the products I used were the following. I had my Shea Moisture Strengthen and Restore Serum, Leave-In Conditioner. I'm also using the Shea Moisture Braid Up Conditioning Gel, the Mousse Edge Wax to help part my hair, Lottabody Wrap Me Foaming Mousse, and of course our Spring Hair by Beyond Beauty. Now, I only worry about the parting for the front of my hair towards the back. I just grab a piece of hair and go. But the first thing I do is add in some of my leave-in conditioner to make sure that my hair is moisturized in this protective style. And then I grab some of my Mousse Edge Wax and I place that towards my roots just to help me grip the hair better. Now, with the piece of hair, I take it and I stretch it to fluff it out and to be able to divide it, as you see me doing here. It can become a little bit difficult if it gets tangled when dividing, but for the most part, this hair was very easy to work with. I go ahead and take my section and I divide it into 3 pieces just to help me be able to grip my hair better and have the hairstyle last a little longer because it'll be locked into the braid. Then once I braid the hair a couple of times just to make sure that I have a good hold, I begin twisting my hair and I add some of my Braid Up Gel by Shea Moisture just to give my hair a good hold and to allow me to twist the hair easier. The link to purchase this hair will be provided in the description box below, and I only used 2 of the 3 packs that I had purchased. Once I reach the end of my twist, I cut off the pieces of hair that seem like stringy or straight. Okay, here is a good close-up of how I braid my hair. So I part the hair in 3 sections, as you see here, and then I take the piece of weave that I'm using and I loop it over braid the pieces 1 and 3, and then I begin my braiding. The best way that I can explain how to braid is by taking your index finger on each hand and just looping it under the middle piece of the braid. And as you see here, like, I got a really good grip of the hair and my hair, and that way these twists won't just slip off of my hair if I pull it back into a ponytail or something like that. So once I finish twisting up all of my hair, I grab some of my hair serum and I apply that all over my scalp, and I make sure to massage it in there at least every 2 days with these protective styles. I take some of my Lottabody Wrap Me Foaming Mousse just to set my hair under, and I apply this all over my twists using about 5 to 6 pumps per section. And then I take my Illuminate Me Shine Mist to add some more shine towards the end because they looked a little dry. And that's it. In total, this style took me about 5 hours to do, and it's gonna last me about a month or 2. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one.